know you don't mean to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ma and this is Keeping Up with Ma. You are welcome to a new video. As you guys can tell, I am in a completely different place. So welcome to my life. I am a military wife. I'm a mom. I share my life on YouTube. So if you're interested in such content, keep watching. Anyway, like I said, we are in a completely new space. So welcome, welcome, welcome. A lot has happened. We have been here for 1 week, 2 days. That unfortunately I haven't been able to take you guys along with me because my daughter dropped my phone in water. Yeah. The day we were leaving Hawaii, like we were getting ready to head to the airport, and she went to wash her hand in the bathroom and yeah, messed up my phone. So the way I had planned my transitioning to be, things just didn't work out that way. But trust me, Bible says that all things work together for good to them that love God. So I am rest assured that everything has worked out for my good, because guess what, we have a new phone. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to take you guys along with me and just give a quick recap of what has been happening for the past week. So we got here on Monday. Today is Wednesday, the third, I think, the third of, yeah, third. Yeah, today is Wednesday, the 3rd of September. So happy new month. We got here on the 25th of August and we got here at about 9 p.m. at night. So by the time we left the airport, it was almost 11 p.m. Getting to the hotel was like 12 midnight. Going to bed was like 2 a.m. So, bruh, there was nothing. I could not even, my mind was just so drained. I was able to use the phone at some point when we landed just to text a couple of people, thankfully, but it just went black. Since then till now, the phone has not come on. But I have plans to take it to an Apple shop to see if they can help salvage the situation, because I have a lot of information. There are a lot of videos that I have on that phone that not everything hasn't backed up yet on my iCloud. So I really need those videos. If you guys see the videos, fine. If you don't see, it's not my fault. Blame the phone. The past week has really been amazing. We have this wonderful family that we have been friends with them since Hawaii. And so they moved to this new duty station. They have basically been the one feeding us breakfast, not well, not breakfast, but lunch, dinner. Some nights we even spend the night at their place. It has been a wonderful time. I feel like I'm in a mini vacation kind of setting because I don't stress about what my kids will eat at no point, what my family will eat at no point. They have really been amazing. I'm gonna put clips of us in the kitchen just vibing. Happening live.
Hey, your life is stable.
Chatting. It has really been an amazing time. We recently had a 4-day holiday. We feel like a big baby.
Break it.
Wait, what are you throwing it? Hurry up! Hurry up! Don't send it to me late. Catch it here. It's bad.
Take it back.
Mommy, come on! I told you not to throw it to me. Take it.
It was just so amazing. It was so nice. So, yes, when I tell you that God will put people your way to help you in every step that you take, never feel that you are alone, because we are currently at the hotel. And I just wanted to pick up this vlog. This is my first official YouTube video I'm doing with this phone using this camera, and I hope it's doing justice. It's giving the quality that I envisioned that it was gonna give. But now I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what this hotel looks like, or what this room looks like. Since we are already close to the door, when you walk through the door, this is what it looks like. So this is the door area. And on your right, when you walk in, you have the sink area. That's me over there. In here is the bathroom. And this is what the bathroom is looking like. We have a mat. Let me turn this light on. This is what it looks like. body wash and all of that. Right opposite, directly opposite the sink, we have this closet area. On the side, you have the fridge over there. It's a small fridge. We have some stuff inside the fridge. And on this side, your coffee maker, coffee and all of that. But I have my own stuff going on here. This is the sink area. You can tell my kids love banana, so we got them lots of banana. Yeah. Underneath, you have some cabinet space. That's what is going on over there. And here you have a microwave. You also have extra cabinet space. That's a mirror over there. And that's me. Hi. On this side, we have a bench, and above it, we have TV. Here we have a working surface that has three drawers. My clothes, my husband's clothes, and some of the kids' stuff are in there. Here we have a Bible. So depending on the brightness that you want, you can dim it or make it brighter. And you have this frame, which I love. I love that frame so much. And you have this chair, this old looking chair, because bruh, look at that. It's very old. And yeah, like I said, my kids were in here because sorry if the bed doesn't look very demure, but yeah, that's what is happening right now. So we have this nightstand over here. Kids and opening bottle of water and not finishing is like 5 and 6. So yeah, this is another bed. So this one comes with two queen size beds, and yeah, my kids were playing in here. So we have this other closet that looks like this. We have my shoes, my kids' shoes, and random stuff that I just put here. And then we have this other frame. So thank you. So that was a quick rundown of what this room looks like.
A few moments later.
A couple of hours later, we are awake, and oh, this is the perfect moment to take a walk around. So we are heading out now. We bought some iPads for the kids. My kids haven't had iPad for a long time, and I honestly do not regret it. I love it. It has done so much to them, helping them to be engaged in activities, even not necessarily iPad. So we are heading out to go grab the iPad casing. So yeah, let's go. Guys, I am inside Dollar Tree. What? I have not shopped from Dollar Tree in God knows how long, because we don't have Dollar Tree in Hawaii. But I am excited. But wait a minute, when did things change from $1 to $1.25, and then I'm even seeing $3 for some stuff? So I'm gonna get one of this. Oh, this feels so light and flimsy, Jesus Christ. But wait, let me see. Peppermint Surge. I don't know, but I think I'll get this one because you guys know I'm always cleaning. So yeah, I'm gonna get two of this. Just took a shower and I'm getting ready for bed. This thing is so cold. So I'm basically just gonna do my night routine. I miss my Don cake. I'm basically done with my night routine. I don't see my lip balm here. My kids have obviously taken it. Cutting my hair has been the best decision that I made for myself. And I really like it. I really like it. I just realized recently that I am actually in my scarf area, in my headscarf era. There was a time when I was collecting a lot of sunglasses. Now I am collecting a lot of headscarf. I don't know what that is, but I'm in my headscarf era. So you guys are gonna see me tying my headscarf for just no reason. just because I'm collecting them, why not wear them? Yay, I found it. Found my lip balm. Same old, same old. We have finally come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I do not take you guys for granted. As you guys can see, the baby is here, so that means I have to put her to sleep. I have to make her sleep, right? You ready to sleep? You ready to take a nap? Oh no, not take a nap. Are you ready to go to bed? Yeah? Yes? Yes. Anyway guys, I'll see you all in my next video. For now, bye.